Hello and welcome to another update video. In this video I want to talk about Quant, one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. So I'm a little bit biased probably when I do this technical analysis, but I am convinced of the potential of this project, of the Overledger technology and everything they want to do and everything they are capable of doing. And it is a serious project. It's a serious company or organization. It's a serious team behind it, and they're doing great things. They have great partners as well, and I talked about all of that in previous videos. I talked about Quant when it was around 65 pounds or dollars, and since then I have talked about Quant a few times, have done now a couple of technical analysis videos. They are quite popular, so I'm going to do the next one and keep track of Quant because it is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies as well. Before we start with the technical analysis, I just want to talk about some of the most exciting things that are currently happening in the quant space and generally in the crypto space as well. Some very interesting news have come out, and we're talking about a digital pound, so-called Bitcoin, for the United Kingdom. The Digital Pound Foundation launches to promote the UK CBDC. Now, if you don't live in the UK, it's not exciting. Even if you live in the UK, it's probably not that exciting because I'm not a great fan of CBDCs in general. I'm a bit skeptical of the potential lack of transparency and the control, that people can control the money flow really. But anyway, that's a different topic. I don't want to go into the detail, but what is certainly fact is that when one of the organizations that we are invested in, for example, from the cryptocurrency space, like for example Ripple, is involved and partners with the Digital Pound Foundation to promote a UK CBDC. And we know about Algorand and other organizations who have partnered with, let's say, smaller countries to develop CBDCs. And if we have organizations who work with larger countries, let's call them more significant and more influential countries to develop CBDCs, that should be quite a big and important news. But in my view, these news haven't really been out that much and haven't been pushed as far as they should have been pushed, because this is significant. We have companies and organizations like Ripple here working with the Digital Pound Foundation. Actually, they're a founding member of the Digital Pound Foundation in the UK to promote CBDC, digital central bank digital currencies, maybe the so-called Bitcoin. Yeah, but it's not only Ripple. If you go on the homepage of the Digital Pound Foundation, which this is, and you scroll down, you can see that Ripple and Quant are working together. Quant is actually a foundation member. I find that highly significant, and this is significant. This is huge. This is huge for Quant as well. Quant is working together with Ripple and these companies and organizations on a central bank digital currency for the United Kingdom. This is huge. I mean, honestly, this is huge. And I already talked about Quant in previous videos, and I said this cryptocurrency, in my point of view, will be 4 digits very soon, right? I mean, we're not talking weeks, but we're talking months in my point of view. I think in a year, we'll look back and prices like these here, I mean, I can't, it's ridiculous. I think Quant has so much potential. And again, that's only my view. I don't want to give you any financial advice here, but I'm excited about these news. I'm excited for Quant, Not that CBDC is coming in the UK where I live, because I don't really like that, but I think that's the future anyway, and we can't really, unfortunately, do much about it. Anyway, Quant, technical analysis. I think this is one of the big news, actually, that could push the price up, but I don't think people realize, actually, the impact of these news. Quant is currently finding support here at a very important level, and I did have this these Fibonacci levels on the chart in the last video, and we continue to find very important support and significant support here at the $286 level, which is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. So we continue to find support there. I think, should we really lose that level, we could potentially drop once more to the $252, which is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level from that peak, which is basically the golden pocket, the golden ratio, the most important Fibonacci retracement level. But it looks like currently we are really finding good support here. And again, we are in a descending triangle, and it looks a bit similar to the Algorand chart. It looks similar to the Coty chart at the moment, to be honest, as well. So we have cryptos here again going in the same way, same direction. And I think this could actually break to the upside. I mean, the thing is, and I did say it in the Coty video, that if you have a descending triangle in a bull run and you are really filling out the entire triangle, it's not really that bearish, because what it means essentially is that the buyers, the sellers, haven't managed to push the price lower throughout the triangle here. Yeah, they haven't managed to do it. And normally what would happen is, normally these descending triangles or classical triangles, they break 2/3 into the triangle. So this one here, that the sellers haven't managed to push the price down, that could actually lead to the price going up. Yeah, that could lead. Again, no, nothing is guaranteed in the short term anyway. Nobody knows if a breakout is going to happen until it happens. But it's just to be aware about these trend lines here, and to take the right steps really. But overall, for me, Quant has a lot of potential. I think it could go 4 digits very soon, and it has had its retracement now. It's had a great retracement. It's done a lot of performance this year already, and it's now has had its retracement. I think it's just coiling up for another move to the upside. And again, here on the daily, we can see, let me just zoom in, we can see that we are sort of just below the bearish line here, below 50 on the RSI. Again, just moving sideways, pretty much mimicking what the price is currently doing. So just waiting as well on the RSI here. ADX also just showing a sideways move, and so is the MACD doing. However, what we need to realize is that Quant is currently above, there you go, no, it's below the 50, and the 20-day moving average has just dropped below it. In my view, that's not too much of a problem, because this has only just happened short term, and we could just at any time bounce above it. And that has happened with so many cryptos in the last few weeks anyway. They briefly dropped below them, below the 20 and the 50-day moving averages, and then they bounced above them again. What is important, that we are finding support here at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. As long as we hold that level, I'm not worried. If we drop, I'm actually happy, because I can buy more, because this is still quite bullish then. And on the golden pocket, that wouldn't be a problem. Even, you know, if we drop below that, yeah, it could get slightly concerning, but the project has so much potential. Even if we drop more, I think people will just buy it up. People know about the potential of Quant, which is why it has risen that much this year. And I think it is still underestimated, this project. So here on the hourly chart, what we can see is that we are in the bullish range on the RSI. So here you can see that we are holding in the bullish range at the moment. So again, finding support here potentially now currently, and we might be pushing from here to the upside in a small move. Have a long signal on the ADX here on the short-term time frame, and also crossed the 0 line and made a bullish cross on the MACD. I think, you know, it's looking good. I think it's looking good. I think we're getting very close to the finalization of this retracement, and it even looks like, yeah, we tried to get above this descending trend line, have failed so far, but you know, we're making higher highs here and possibly coiling up in a bullish consolidation to get above this line. And this is the same pattern that many other cryptos are doing as well, like Algorand, like Coty, and it remains to be seen how these are breaking out, but I think they will break to the upside. And even if we lose it, even if we lose that level, I think Quant is going to hold very strong. I would be very, very surprised if it drops below 250. I think it will go up from here. And I think in a few weeks or months, or even, no, in a few months, I think we're going to look back and we all wish we had bought more Quant. That is what I think. Again, no financial advice, just my own opinion and what I can see in the charts and looking at the potential of this project. So hope you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button. If you want me to cover Quant going forward, let me know in the comments, and please also subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.